Welcome to Exhibit Today. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa PDMX, dito sa World Trade Center para sa PDMX 2023. Siyempre kasama po natin isa po sa exhibitors ang Gekar Machine Solution Incorporation. Nako, the best itong kumpanyang ito. Kaya pag-usapan natin ito. Kasama po natin ang the man behind this Gekar Machine. Walang iba kundi si Mr. George T. Lau. Magandang umaga, sir.
Afternoon na.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Kasi sa business na, puro morning.
Morning ba? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay, sir, pag-usapan natin itong Gekar Machine. Mga ilang taon na siya nag-exist sa industriya?
Bali, nag-start kami 1995, no? So,
matagal-tagal na rin.
20, puti na nga yung mga buhok natin. White hair na tayo.
Pero still growing, sir. No?
We're still,
and penetrating the industry of metal and die casting. Sir, ano po ba dinalang produkto rito ng Gekar, sir?
Bali, Gekar Machine, we are exclusive distributor ng mga conventional lathe, milling, compressor, mga various machine
sir,
tools.
Para mas maintindihan natin, sir, mas na ng mga taga-pakinod na nanonood sa atin, pwede nyo ba i-demo, sir? Okay lang?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir,
pwede naman natin ikutin to. Meron tayong mga machine na tulad ng compressor. Ito, wire cut EDM machines, no, for making mold making. We have also all these bandsaw and CNC machining centers. No? So aside from that, if you see anong mga nagagawa ng mga products natin, tulad ng mga fittings, no, mga manufactured by our facility, itong Skywing machine. So alam nyo yung mga industry natin sa automotive, lahat ng mga backhoe, mga heavy equipments, no? So aside from the machines, we also have all this type of tools, mga toolings natin, no? You see all our inserts, no? So if you go to a simple small machine shop, you can find all these toolings, mga requirement nila for testing, pang laboratory, no? So we cater all this type of industry, industrial, agricultural, and automotive and all types of even
kumbaga,
aerospace.
Parang one-stop shop kayo pagdating sa machine solution, right?
Yes, sir. Lahat ng requirements natin from mga nag-start pa lang, graduate ng engineering up to they become an entrepreneur. If they need to manufacture any type of products na metal or non-metal, they can always come to Gekar Machine Solutions.
You're the solution.
Yes, sir. We are the provider.
Sir, when it comes to price ba, kaya ba ito ng isang Pilipinas, sir?
Ay, nako, kayang-kaya natin. Alam mo naman, open ang market natin. We are direct importer in all over the country of China, Taiwan, Korea, Europe, no? So meron tayong actually may mga tayong complementing na mga origins of products na when they are starting as small entrepreneur until mag-grow sila, it really depends on the quality of product they want to produce, no?
Okay.
Gaano ka-precision, no?
Meron po ba tayong website o telephone number para
Yes, sir.
po?
Our website, www.gekarmachine.com. So if you are interested, just drop us a message. Immediately, re-replying ka namin.
Sir, are you looking for 3 days? Are you looking for distributor or direct client, sir?
Actually, most our buyers have always been the end user. So right now then we also have a licensing with the DOST, yung mga food innovation technology. So during the pandemic, maraming mga kababayan natin medyo nag-work at home. So yung ibang mga agricultural products nila na nagsuspoil, so we provide them yung mga vacuum fryer, water retort, all this equipment. They were able to preserve the food, and sustainability food is for their growth and for their ito yung mga equipment na pinaprovide namin.
Alright, sir, maraming salamat po. Very informative naman yung ating discussion, sir. For your last message or special message for the Filipino people, ano ba matatandaan nila pag naging partner nila ang Gekar Machine, sir?
Yes, we are a machine solutions provider. So lahat ng mga requirements nyo, lahat ng mga inquiries ninyo, definitely we will try to reply you and also give you good price quotations. Lalo na yung mga starting nating mga entrepreneurs, no? Huwag kayong mahiya, huwag kayong
Tawag lang kayo.
Tawag lang kayo, sir. Available kami 24/7.
Salamat
Thank
po.
you.
Ito po si Brother Her ng Falcon. Ay nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang Binyo Design, Swedish Design, na gumawa po ng mga booth dito po sa World Trade Center at sa SMX Manila. Ito po si Brother Hernan uli, nagsasabi kay Mr. Rick Angeles, our producer. God bless you.